Hey everyone, wanted to give you a quick update as late at night, but I wanted to get this section completed. I completed the camera module on top of the snugger. When I say snugger, it actually snugs the part. That's the two yellow bars right there. So you can see the red light on top, that's the camera. And the camera is connected to my Raspberry Pi with this display, which is shown here. So what you're seeing there, you're seeing there. And so these bars center the yellow bars come in, and they center the Lego piece, and then they take a snapshot. If you see here, I have a PIR sensor, which is a motion sensor. So once the object goes past, like here, once it goes past here, it'll indicate the part to stop the conveyor. It'll indicate the conveyor to stop, and then center the part, and after it centers, it takes a picture and moves the part on. The picture is just going to be for cataloging purposes on this conveyor, but I just wanted to do a quick update that I have the camera module set up, and I have my ultrasonic sensors wired up along with the red LEDs. The red LEDs, including the motion, will actually blink when the part goes by, passing through the sensor. And so that's going to take a little bit of coding, but not a lot. And so I just wanted to show you guys where I'm at. So also I hooked up my HMI, which will have touchscreen push buttons up here for controlling the conveyor. So I wanted to clarify, this Lego sorter has kind of turned into a Lego catalog and router system. The true Lego sorter, once it actually, well, let me go through the process. Once the Lego goes through, it gets photographed and cataloged. A color sensor here indicates the color, and then it's going to go into this little drop box. This drop box is actually going to go to this guy, all the way up here to this. This would be the true Lego sorter right here. And this, it'll go up on this bridge, and this bridge will rotate and put the part in a designated cup. I also have another version of Lego sorter, which is this guy, which the part will come here, and it'll either go into the first tier on the carousel here, or it'll go on this conveyor, up to this conveyor to the second carousel. So for right now, I'm just going to use the this Lego sorter in conjunction with this. I just wanted to clarify that this guy he's more like a closed loop conveyor system that's going to route my Legos and catalog them. And if it doesn't get recognized as an object or color sorter, it'll just stay in this loop, and then these sensors, these ultrasonic sensors, will kind of indicate that, hey, don't put any more Legos in. There's one that's recirculating and is having issues getting cataloged. So that's it, guys. Take it easy.